What's up, YouTube? Today, we're actually getting out of the house.
Are we actually?
Well, we have made it to the spot. The sun is in my face. Everybody's here. The parking lot is crammed full of people. All my buddies have made it out. We're gonna rip. So here we go.
Hey, Dad.
That's stupid.
Why is no one here?
No one's here. No one's here. Let's redo that. Yeah. All right, we've made it to the spot. Everybody's here, ready to, screw it. Let's just rip. Look how much better this is for a stick cam. Like, look at the monitor. Like the sticks is centered in the frame and everything.
Welcome to Open TX.
I changed the speaker in my Tyrannus and it sounds like shit.
Oh, I saw that.
He keeps them rolling back and a pretty cat. She's a killer queen. So surely I shouldn't put that song with this flight edit, right?
No.
Don't do that.
No.
No, don't do that. She's a killer queen. Guaranteed to blow your mind. She's a killer. I'm really liking that ditch. I would advise that you stay out of it for a little while. A little bit of scraggle. Holy crap, didn't make the hole. Can we smack the GoPro first day? Well, let's just... Whoa, shit! Oh wow, I just made it through that hole. That was awesome. That was totally like a hole full of scraggle and I tried to rip through it. My gap's not too little. Coming back is hard because it's like, hey bang! I do see it. Let's stay away from that. Damn, that's pretty close.
Oh my god, it's carbon. That's cool. It's like carbon free something, Dad.
Dang it, I missed a hole. See if we can do the power loop back to the hole.
Wrong way, wrong way.
Wrong way. Dang it.
$816 milliamp hours.
Nope, didn't have it. Last try. I gotta get around here and kind of like line myself up. Dang!
That's it. Keep going. Oh!
That was like instant static. But I had it! I just didn't have the power to pull out of it.
Oh, crap.
What was all that racket? My battery getting tangled up in the props.
Did your face planted, brother?
Dang, I did! Holy crap! Dang, it ripped the whole damn top plate off of it! Dang! Holy crap! It ripped the top plate in half. That's a first. Dang. Oh, I wonder if it's because that screw was missing right there. That screw missing.
Yeah, you're not recording.
What? Yeah, it's recording. See? Well.
Sheep.
Well.
That.
I guess we'll have to use the spare frame to.
That was interesting.
Yeah. All right. Hell yeah. Oh, it's still plugged up. I wonder why I had static. Oh, the camera. When it come off, it pulled the camera wires out. Can I get that in the light? Yeah. It pulled the camera wire out of the camera.
Telemetry lost.
Wow, it's amazing that the rest of the wires held on. Wow. Okay, we're going to send a picture of this to Josh because I don't know if he's seen one like that yet. Well, I guess I'm going to take Harrison home. I'm glad that I charged all 14 of my battery packs to just be able to fly one today, but it is what it is. It's supposed to be some like Team Banjo leg stuff going on this week from what I've heard. Axel has been working non-stop every freaking weekend for the past 6 months. Well, he says he's not working all week, so we'll see if we can get him to get out of the house. Apparently undecided it was going to meet up tomorrow. We'll see. Hold him to it. Be sure to comment down below if you want to be in the giveaway. Thanks for watching. Buy a t-shirt because I need some money. Thank you. Bye, Harrison. Bye, Harrison.
I got a song for you.